Today we're diving into the exciting feature of iOS 18 public beta on the iPhone 13. I'll also guide you on how to install the beta on your device. First, let's explore some of the new features you can expect in iOS 18. You can now customize your lock screen with new widgets and style, giving it a fresh look. The Messages apps get a makeover with enhanced search functionality, new stickers, and improved group chat features. With standby mode, you can turn your iPhone into a smart display when charging, showing the time, widgets, and even photos. Safari introduces new privacy features, including improved tracking prevention and a built in password manager. The Health app now tracks more metrics and offers new insights for your wellness journey. Now that you're excited about the new feature, let's get into how to install the iOS 18 public beta on your iPhone. First things first, make sure to back up your phone. Now go to the Apple Beta software website at beta.apple.com and you need to sign in with your Apple ID. Once you're signed in, tap on Enroll. Now you can enroll your device and follow the prompts to download the beta profile. Once the beta is profiled, you can simply find it in the software update. Remember, beta software can have bugs and issues, so it's best to install it on a secondary device if possible. And that's it, you're all set to explore the new feature on your iPhone 13. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.